Kalani Kids Corner.
Today we will be making a paper plate angel. You will need to make your paper plate angel, scissors, markers, pencil, glue stick, blank piece of paper, and a paper plate. Plate cut into thirds. You're gonna need your scissors to cut it. Alrighty. So you're just gonna go cut on the lines.
So that's what one half should look like. And that's what another half should look like.
And this is what the last half will look like. This half is gonna be smaller just because it's gonna go on the angel a little differently. So your thirds, we're going to take this one,
The
smallest, and the two bigger, and we're gonna lay them out. We're just gonna lay them out on the table, and then we'll show you. So it should look like that, kind of like wings. And then we're gonna flip it over, and we're gonna take our glue out, and we're gonna
Wait.
we're gonna glue. We're just gonna glue just round there, okay? Because that's where the things are gonna stick.
Right here.
There you go. A little lower.
There?
A little bit lower.
Oh, a little higher than this?
There you go. Teeny bit more. Okay, so now that we have glued the top little portion of our triangle. We are going to add
It's gotta go there.
no, I don't know. Oh, there we go. Yes. So when you're done this, you attach one corner. Okay.
You just hold it
It's
there.
gonna look like that on the front. And now, when we go to the
Whoa!
fell off. This glue is not the sturdiest.
No.
Okay. So now that's one wing done. Okay, and now we are gonna glue here. Glue?
Good.
These quick glues. Okay, and that's done. We're gonna glue. We're gonna add the next wing.
It should almost look like a dove
Yeah, kind of.
with no head.
Yeah. Just gonna put it on my.
Now you
On the
just gotta
table?
press down on it so the glue gets a chance to meet.
Then it should look somewhat like this. We did not tilt our wings up enough, so I'm just re-sticking the wings because they don't want to seem to stick. Okay, so we're just gonna let our lovely angel wings dry while we work on our head. So we're gonna need our pencil and our scissors. I'm just gonna draw a oval-like head for the angel, about this big in our square, relative to the hand.
Now we'll cut it out.
Do it in front of the camera.
Woo! Got a little off the track there, but it's okay.
Now we're just gonna trim it. Okay, and the head is almost cut.
Now we just gotta trim it. Why don't I let Chile do that while I go throw this out?
Let's go. So I'm just trimming our head to make it a little bit more of a circle. This angel's head is going to be a little bit more like an oval maybe. Okay, so now you have your angel's head. And we are going to take our angel, lovely friend angel, and we're just going to erase the pencil marks. You can see the pencil marks and how I'm erasing it. Just going to do that nice and quickly. Just because we want this angel to be white, not pencil marked. So just doing that quickly, but we have to make sure the shavings don't get stuck in the glue, which is a little. Oh, our head flew away. I'll go get it.
Okay.
Okay, so
So-
I grab my head and show them the finished body. Like,
So there should be no pencil marks like this.
okay, now we're gonna add our head.
Oh, no!
Oliver, that's why you don't hold it by the wings.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, because it's still not fully dried, but we'll let it dry. We're gonna take our head and we're gonna glue it smack dab in the center, right there. Gonna add the glue. Oliver, you want to do it? And I'll stick it. Not too much though.
There.
It doesn't have to be fully. You can just do a T. You can just do a T.
There.
Okay.
There.
Can you put the cap on, Oliver?
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna stick this angel head smack dab in this center,
Ooh, that's a little low.
and we're gonna do it higher.
Okay, all right, and you know yourself.
Rah! Just make charging the head on. Head.
Now we need to color it.
Now, time to get out our lovely
That's good.
friends, Puskins. We're gonna start with the face. Should we make it smile, Oliver?
Yeah.
So let's add our face.
We gotta make a gold crown.
I know. Yes, well, that's why.
The eyeballs.
Okay, now can you get the yellow out?
The yellow.
Should we make this a girl or boy?
Girl.
Okay. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of hair detail.
Just add a
Little bit of hair detail. Just we're doing brown hair. You guys could do whatever color you guys want.
If your hair is yellow or whatever color your hair
Blonde,
is, you could do it.
dark brown, you could do it. We're just doing like a light brown.
That's because of most people's hair is white.
So,
All good there?
and our angel is gonna be a girl.
So it needs to have
Because-
some long hair.
Just making it moderate but long, a little bit longer hair.
And of course, who is an angel that doesn't
Have
have
a
a
halo.
crown?
A halo.
What's a halo?
What the angels wear.
A halo?
Yeah.
Not familiar.
So we are going to need to put our halo on.
I didn't know what a halo was.
So we're just gonna make our halo a little bit thicker.
Stone zone? Oh yeah, that's a halo.
So we have the halo on the angel. Now what's next, Oliver?
Now it is the wings.
The bedazzle on the wings. So for our bedazzle on the wings, we're just gonna follow, you see the paper plate, how it has lines? What are we gonna do with those lines?
We're gonna trace them.
We're gonna trace them with yellow to give it a bit of shine to it, just to add some color to the angel. Right, Oliver?
Yes.
So kind of just like this.
Wait, no,
Just-
that's the wrong thing.
We're doing both sides.
Yeah.
So just both sides like that. Let's get started.
Isn't 5 days
Oh, stop it.
set down to one? It's just
So, you guys could use any marker, but we just have Poscos like in our other video on how to make ghosts. If you haven't already seen that, please go check it out. We'd really appreciate some more views or likes, whatever. And we've not really used many colors, but if you guys want, you can make her like have a colorful blue dress or anything you want. but our angel kind of isn't that
Is plain. You could
fancy.
do what we're doing in yellow, any color, but
any color, any of these colors, or
Any
whatever
color you
colors you have at
have.
home. You could even
our angel is colored out. Looks like a beautiful angel, I think. But we're just making sure it will dry. And our angel is...
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe.